Look who's here. It's Benny the Boo. Hey, let's go ask Benny if he knows what the sound is. Hi, Benny. We've come to find out what's making that sound.
What sound? I didn't hear any sound.
You didn't?
No. What does it sound like?
Come on. We need your help to make the hic boom oh sound for Benny. Say it with us. Hic boom oh.
Can you say it again?
Let's say it again for Benny. Hic boom oh.
Nope. I never heard that sound before.
Oh. What could it be? Let's listen.
Hic boom oh. Hic boom oh.
There it is again. What's making that sound? Do you know what's making that sound? Who? Benny?
Hic boom oh.
Benny! Benny, you've been making that sound. You have the hiccups.
Oh, yeah. I've been trying to get rid of my hiccups, but they just won't go away.
We can help you, Benny. My mommy told me a way to get rid of hiccups. All you have to do is count to 10 in a really loud voice, and your hiccups will go away.
But I don't know how to count all the way up to 10. Hic boom oh. I'll never get rid of my hiccups.